Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo S60 Polestar versus the BMW 340i. We will examine their performance, driving dynamics, and overall value. The Volvo S60 Polestar engineered boasts a robust 415 horsepower and 494 pound-feet of torque, utilizing a sophisticated hybrid powertrain. The BMW 340i, with its powerful 3.0-liter inline-six engine, offers 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Both vehicles deliver impressive acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds. Moving to driving dynamics, the Volvo S60 Polestar engineered provides a composed and comfortable ride, enhanced by its unique Erhlin's adjustable suspension, allowing drivers to fine-tune the damping. The BMW 340i, on the other hand, is renowned for its agile handling and direct steering, offering a more overtly sporty and engaging feel. Inside, both cars present luxurious cabins with high-quality materials and supportive sport seats, ensuring a premium experience for occupants. When it comes to technology, the Volvo S60 Polestar engineered integrates the Sensus infotainment system, now with Google built-in, offering seamless connectivity and navigation. The BMW 340i features the acclaimed iDrive system, known for its intuitive rotary controller and crisp graphics. Both sedans excel in safety, consistently earning top ratings from independent organizations. They also come equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, providing peace of mind on every journey. Considering value and practicality, the Volvo S60 Polestar engineered, with its advanced hybrid powertrain and exclusive features, typically starts around $65,000. The BMW 340i, offering exceptional performance and luxury, usually begins closer to $55,000, presenting a compelling option for enthusiasts. Both cars provide reasonable fuel economy for their class, with the Volvo offering an electric range. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.